Well, hopefully your umbrella has dried out fully from all that rainfall that we saw over the weekend, because we are about to do it all over again later today, unfortunately. That's why we got the check mark on today with rainfall looking likely. Question mark for tomorrow. It's a lot more spotty and scattered in nature tomorrow. I don't think it's going to be a washout by any means, and we should be nice and dry for both Friday and our Saturday, but not today. We are looking at periods of rain to move in, especially by this afternoon. There could be pockets of heavier rainfall mixed in there as well. The good news is this morning we should be relatively dry. Nothing to worry about. We quickly cloud up by the lunch hour or so, and then that rainfall moves in here by this afternoon and into this evening. By the lunch hour, we're already starting to see some of that rainfall in the Kentucky Lake area. That will quickly overspread the area. Notice a lot of the oranges and reds here. That's where we're worried about pockets of heavier rainfall. There could be a very isolated thunderstorm or rumbles of thunder, but we are not worried about severe weather with this system. This is primarily a straight rain event, much like what we saw over the weekend, and it continues into tonight. But by after midnight or so, things really start to wind down. For the morning rush, spotty showers, probably some drizzle with those low clouds, and then those clouds continue to hang around by the lunch hour. Then our winds have switched to more of a northerly and northwesterly flow that'll start to cool us off. We are under that low risk for excessive rainfall for the entire tri-state. This is rainfall that is heavy enough to result in flash flooding. So just keep that in mind, because we're going to get a lot of rainfall in a very short amount of time here. We're talking about 1 to perhaps 3 inches in some locations in probably a 12-hour period. That is really some pretty good rainfall rates here, and there could be isolated higher amounts where you see some of those yellows where we may see 3 or more inches. Just a reminder, please don't drive through flooded roadways. It's just too dangerous. Mid-60s today, warmer than yesterday because of that strong southerly flow out ahead of that cold front, but everybody getting into the rain by this afternoon and into this evening as well. Normal lows 38. We're flirting with 20 degrees above that because of all the activity that we'll be seeing in the overnight hours. And then things should start to dry out Thursday afternoon. The weekend is looking great, Friday through Sunday, with temperatures pretty close to where we should be for this time of the year. And then our rain chances, they're going to take a while to ramp back up. It's looking like early next week before we see more showers.